Hey my loves, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning into a new. So I just have some few things to share with you guys. I think during my first week, the first after we found out I was pregnant, my husband went and bought me some shoes that I've never even bothered to open them. I don't even think I said thank you because I was feeling like, as I shared on my previous video, I was feeling so sick. Nothing mattered at that time. So he got me these white ones. I'm sorry, they are a little bit dirty because I wore them once. So these are just white sneakers. Come here. These are just white sneakers. As you can see, they are dirty. I'm sorry about that because I wore them once. So they are like that, and they come in size 4. It's a little bit small for me, but you know what, let's just appreciate the effort. I can wear them, but they're a little bit small. I don't mind that. Okay, and then in the other box we have some, these are boots. These are like winter boots. Yeah, these are winter boots, so they are like, they look like so. It says like, I want you to be sorted for winter, summer, and all around. So the sneakers, like the sneakers, I can wear them all year round, and then these will be for winter. It's very nice and very warm. As you can see, they're like brand new. I've not even tried them on, and these are in size 6. I believe I wear size 6. That's my size 6. He said the sneakers he couldn't get them in size 5 or 6, so he got them in size 4. So we have that, the boots, and then we have another pair. Got 3 pairs. Is the other one, and then we have another pair over here. These are like sandals. These are like summer sandals, and they are like that. They come in like that in this beautiful nude color. This is nude, I believe, and then there's some details over here, and this is in size 5. So I wear between size 5 and 6 depending on the manufacturer where the shoe is from, but size 5 and 6 is my size. So they are like that. So I got 3 pairs from the hubby. I've not wear these other pairs. The only pair that I wear, as I mentioned, is the sneakers. I'm just gonna wash them right now because today I have energy. I'm gonna wash them. So I just want to share with you guys this little haul, and let's continue with the video. Like, guys, can somebody explain to me, why does a pregnant person runs out of breath? Why? Like, that's how I hardly talk these days. I hardly talk. Even my husband is like, you're so quiet, because each time I speak I run out of breath. So I just rather shut up and just talk science most of the time. Like, I do science, I'll just talk few words because whew.
Dreaming, I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more.
What we have here? Okay. We have a laundry basket. Oh wow. You have a bubble wand. Interesting. Some pegs. The sunlight. Five and 1. 2 kg. We have a small basin. Okay. And then this. I don't know what this is for. That. And then obviously a knot. This smells amazing. Smells so good. Wow, smells so good. And the soap actually smells, wow, it's giving spring. Smells really good. I don't know what smell this is. Wow. Ooh, it smells like fruits, flowers. Wow. Let me take some pictures for the Instagram. I'm gonna enjoy doing this since I'm so idle. So I've just realized that I have 2 of these. One which I currently had, and then they gave me 1. Actually, this is my 3rd time working with sunlight, so there were 3. I had 1 which I gave away when I received this one, and now I have 2 of them. I don't know, I'm gonna give away 1, or I'll just make 1 for the washing powder and then 1 for pegs. I don't know, but yes, I'm grateful. 3rd time working with sunlight. It's really been amazing. For now, let me continue to heal my inner child. Let me continue to heal my inner child. So you guys remember this? Did you ever do this when you're young? Yeah. Let me reconnect with my inner child for now. This feels so good. So relaxing. Because we don't have a child around here. I would have given them to play with this, but let me be the child for now. We are moving out. I remember I mentioned this in one of my videos that I hate moving in and out because it's so much work. I just came from viewing a place, and we have to move out like today, and right now it's 1 o'clock. So this is a situation of my room right now. I still need to go to the kitchen and pack all the dishes, and Guys, moving out is not for the weak. If you can stay where you are staying, please stay there, don't move. Why there's so much light? If they increase your rent, please just pay. Don't move. It's a scam. Even if you just have 2 utensils and 2 clothes, it's still just, it's so much, guys. It's so much. The whole process of looking, viewing houses, going to this house, you don't like this one you like this one, that one you don't like this. It's just crazy. It's just crazy, guys. I'm gonna give you guys I'm not sure if I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment. Is that an apartment or a house? It's a bachelor apartment. I'm not sure I'm gonna give you guys an empty tour, or I'll just give you guys a tour when like everything is there, because I don't have time. And we're leaving this bed because the bed is not ours, and we don't have a bed. We don't have a bed. Life. So this is my situation right now. Situation of the room. It's like nothing is packed, but trust me guys, things are packed. We're just packing and unpacking, packing and unpacking. Suitcases are packed, clothes are there, some clothes are here that I needed to wash. I need to put them back here in the washing basket. These boxes, they need to go down so that I can like arrange the dishes and stuff. The chest of drawer is going just the way it is. This is staying behind because it's not ours. The bed and the bedside tables, they are staying behind because they are not ours. So I don't even know what to do, guys. Let me just pack and I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you, because time is not on our side now.
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you.
I think it was on the 15th floor, yeah? We have arrived to our destination, but guys, I'm a bit disappointed because can you see, this is the room. That's right there is the main door, and then that's a little kitchen situation, and this is like the bedroom area, and that's the wardrobe. The room, it's very small compared to what we viewed. We viewed like a little bit of a bigger room than this. It's not bad for us, like it's not bad for now because we don't have a lot of things, but the room is small. Like it's literally small. As you enter there, that's your kitchen, and then you come this side, this is your room. Basically this is the area you're working with. You need to put your bed here. Oh, I'm not so happy. I'm not so happy. I'm not so happy. I'm not so happy. Anyways, we're here already. Let me sort out my sleeping situation. As I mentioned to you guys, we don't even have a bed, so I'm gonna have to put blankets down and sleep, and I don't know, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because I'm exhausted. I am tired.